Warm reminder before installation to prevent scratching. Please wrap the center console, armrest box, and other positions in the car with towels or soft fabrics before dismantling. Pry and take out the panel, and take out the 3 connectors on the back of the panel, then set the panel aside. The air conditioning decorative panel. Press the plug buckle to take out the connecting plugs on the back of the air conditioner decorative panel, and then place the air conditioner decorative panel on one side. Use a T20 screwdriver to remove the 2 fixing screws of the original car monitor. Press the LVDS plug buckle on the back of the original car's monitor, and take out the LVDS cable. Use a T20 screwdriver to remove the 2 fixing screws of the original car host. Pull the host outwards, and take out the host. Then pinch the buckle of the harness and pull it back. Then take out the power harness. Harness, and press the buckle firmly. Connect the male connector of the Linux harness to original host. Thread the plug end of the USB connection cable through the passenger armrest compartment to the interface on the back of the Linux big screen panel. Install the original host back to its position, lock and fix the original host with the T20 screwdriver. Remove 4 metal clips from the original display base, and then install them on the new display base. Install the new display base on the original base and press it tightly. Connect Linux harness to the back of Linux device. Connect the original LVDS cable to the Linux device. Install weld the Linux device to the original car, and fix it with a T20 screwdriver. Restore the connection plugs on the back of the air conditioner panel, and put the air conditioner panel back in place. Connect the 3 connectors on the back of the panel, and install the panel back in place. the car and check that the Linux device is functioning properly.